Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in online on Jet2. So if you have a Jet2 flight coming up, you can check in online before heading to the airport, and here's how to do it. So just launch your Jet2 website and sign in using your account credentials. And from the home page, just go ahead and click on your profile name, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and click on booking. So it's going to take you right into your booking management page. All right, so from here, in this point where you have add a booking, just go ahead, or let's say you're looking for a booking, click on enter your booking reference number, and once you enter your booking reference number, go ahead and click on add booking. Or you can just easily access your booking right here on this page if you have any active booking. You're going to see right here in the list, so you necessarily do not have to add your booking reference number. You find everything in one place. So if you're looking for your booking reference number, let's say you lost it, you can find it in your Jet2 booking confirmation email. Well, after entering the details, just go ahead and click on your booking. So once you click on the booking, it's going to take you to your booking details page. In the booking details page, look for the option to check in online. Select the check-in option to begin the process. Jet2's current online check-in window generally opens 28 days before your scheduled departure and closes 6 hours before departure. However, Jet2 states that online check-in for some routes may be available until 4 hours before departure, so check the specific requirements for your flight. So to complete online check-in, you will need your valid passport and your unique booking reference. So follow the instructions displayed on the screen and enter or confirm the required travel document information for each passenger you're checking in. Make sure that the details you provide match the passenger's valid travel documents. Review the information you've entered and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete your check-in. Continue until Jet2 confirms that your check-in has been successfully completed. After completing online check-in, your boarding pass will be made available, so you can download your boarding pass directly to your device or save it and print it out if you prefer a physical copy. If you've checked in online and you're traveling with handbag luggage, Jet2 says you can proceed directly to the airport security. If you have hold luggage to check in, you still need to follow the airport's bag drop or check-in process. But make sure that you arrive with enough time to complete all required airport procedures before your flight. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.